Hey guys, what's up? My name is Eric and I'm the Techy Agent, and this is a vlog video. Let me explain. First of all, if you're not into vlog videos, I'm going to be trying to do them maybe about once a week. And if you're not into them, feel free to skip them and just show up for the tech reviews that I do on wearables. That's fine. No offense taken. As a creator, it would be fun for me to be able to do a vlog, an occasional vlog, just to kind of exercise that creative muscle. But if you're not interested, if you're one of those people who is not interested in a vlog, you're just here for the tech reviews, that's fine. I'm going to continue to do those tech reviews just as often as I have been, and you're welcome to just show up for those tech reviews and skip this completely. That's fine. As I've kind of talked with other coaches and other people who do YouTube full time, which I don't, but those who do YouTube full time, they've suggested that I kind of expand the Techy Agent brand and kind of explore other ways of creating videos. And just wanted to give you guys kind of behind the scenes look at my life, like how this channel started. In specific, that's kind of the theme of today's vlog, is want to give you guys kind of the story of what happened and how I became a YouTuber. On my way into the gym, today is back, biceps, and abs. So I like to do chest, triceps, and shoulders on one day, back, biceps, and abs on another day. And then I like to do a couple of cardio days a week as well. So I typically do about 2 days a week where I focus mostly on strength training, and then 2 days a week where I focus on cardio. And then I'll take the other 2-3 days that I'm not working out. I'll just take those off. I like to end every workout with a jump rope. Just get my heart rate spiking as much as possible. 180 beats and climbing. Woo! Okay, I think I got the next wearable, or one of the next wearables that I'm going to review here in this box that I ordered from Amazon. So let's go ahead and take a look and see here. Okay. Yep, this is about the size of a wearable box. So this is the Amazfit, and this has GLONASS GPS and a heart rate sensor. So I'm on the quest to find the world's cheapest and at the same time accurate GPS watch that also has a built-in heart rate sensor, because there's a lot of people out there that just do steady state cardio. They just jog, they just cycle. They want a GPS watch, they want heart rate tracking, but they don't want to go spend $250, $300 or more to get, you know, a Fitbit or a Garmin Forerunner device in order to track their heart rate and GPS. And so I've kind of been on this quest to find a very cheap GPS watch. Maybe not something that would be accurate in the gym, but something that would at least be accurate for running and for cycling and have built-in GPS. And this one does. It has built-in GPS and a heart rate sensor and even GLONASS, so it can tap into international satellites. So I'm going to be wearing this and reviewing this here shortly. So it comes with this little charging cradle here. It just kind of pops in like that. I don't know if the camera can get it. So little charging cradle there. Just a little one button configuration with a tiny little heart rate sensor on the back. And it does use standard watch straps. So this will be a really interesting device to try out. Maybe I found something cool for those of you who don't do anything else other than, like, you know, jogging and cycling. So for those of you who don't know, my day job is not actually being a YouTuber. YouTube is just something I do part-time. My real revenue comes from being a real estate agent. Okay, this is how I pay the bills. Showing homes. This is a really cool house built in 1845. Beautiful brick home. So we're going to show this house to some customers, some clients of mine. Oh. Well, it's a good thing I came a little bit early. Looks like their kitty got a hold of a mouse. Did you get a mouse? Okay, let's clean that up. Oh my gosh. They have a dog or something that's pooped all over in this room. Hence the name Techy Agent. And the original intent of the Techy Agent channel wasn't to be a fitness wearable channel at all. The broker that I worked with said, hey, you should start a channel. You're a techie individual. You're into technology and you leverage it. You use it for your business. And so what you should do is start a channel teaching other agents who aren't as tech savvy on how to use technology in the real estate business. And so I thought, hey, that's a great idea. So I started a channel called The Techy Agent in order to teach other real estate agents how to be techie agents, how to leverage technology for their business. Hey, thanks for tuning in. My name is Eric Russell with Plumtree Realty, and today we're going to be talking about an app that has multiple functions. So I did about maybe 2, 3, or 4 videos and uploaded them to YouTube, hoping that it would be helpful to people, and found out that honestly nobody cared. No agent that was lacking in tech savviness was showing up at my channel in order to learn how to be a techie agent. And so after about like 4 videos, I just kind of gave up on the idea and realized that nobody was interested in that kind of content. And on a whim, I went out, since I work out a lot on a whim, I went out and bought a fitness tracker, the Adidas FitSmart. And I uploaded that video to YouTube after doing like a little bit of a tabletop hands-on review and talking about my experience using it. Uploaded that video to YouTube and got a lot of views. Now, it was a terrible video. I mean, just my charisma on camera was terrible. This band is definitely the softest rubber material and making it, you know, very comfortable. Just the video itself was not a good video. That video, in the weirdest way, seemed to generate some viewership. There were people that were interested in watching that kind of content because at the time there weren't really that many other YouTubers that were doing fitness wearable reviews. There was only one other person, and that was Jeff Rizzo over at the Rizno's channel. And I was like, wow, there's this huge gap in YouTube where nobody's reviewing fitness trackers with the exception of Jeff. And so I kind of was like, okay, maybe there's a space for me on YouTube to do some fitness wearable reviews. So I went out and bought another fitness tracker and uploaded that review, and that video did well. And so that was kind of like where I discovered, like, hey, there might be a place here on YouTube for not just one fitness tech reviewer, but maybe 2. And so I started doing fitness tech reviews at that time. This was probably about like 3.5 years ago. Hi, my name is Eric and I'm the Techy Agent, and this is my full hands-on review of the new Mio Fuse. And ever since then, those videos have continued to do well and grow the channel, and that is how the Techy Agent channel kind of accidentally happened. So that's kind of why this channel wasn't named something else. It was originally the Techy Agent channel because it was going to be to help real estate agents become tech-savvy agents, and that just didn't happen.